Hello everyone. Myself Amrita. This
Myself,
is
Amaldev.
our team number is 70 and our topic is online review signals and purchase intention in fashion, a study of Flipkart shoppers in India. So let's get to our topic. As in this presentation, we will be reviewing the existing literature on how review signals influence the customer purchase decision on e-commerce platforms. So our one of the main important of topic is nothing but analyzing the review signals and make a better understanding or predict how the reviews may shape our customers purchase intentions. So let's get to the online. As we have read around 100 papers around much, so the main thing we have observed in all of them are most of them have same research gaps as that's and the methodologies are also kind of similar. And other most of the papers are on in Indian Western platforms such as Amazon, Meesho, etc. That's there is no any particular specific platform specific or a region specific paper. So our papers is are region specific where we concentrate on Flipkart in India, and among Flipkart we are only focusing on the fashion centers. So let's get to the papers. So the one papers what most of the papers examines the impact of review sentiment such as positive and negative on purchase intention in Indian e-commerce context. And the methodologies used are many of them uses quantitative, descriptive, survey-based methodology analyzed through SPS using descriptive correlation and regression analysis to examine how different dimensions of online reviews influence the customer purchase intentions. And as in the case of when observed through research captures, as I mentioned earlier, are platform which they are specifying a general e-commerce where we are focusing on a Flipkart area. And as a category, they are examining all types of product where we are concentrating only in fashion. And as the variables such as rating, review count, we are analyzing all review signals such as photos, verified tags, rating, etc., and all other things. And then another thing of this paper is given as the where other papers focus specifically on online reviews, apparel fashion purchases, which is kind of similar to our paper itself, and the Indian context, including the role of review volumes. And the methodologies are same as other papers such as quantitative primary survey approach, where we are also doing the same thing. That where the data is collected from 100 Meesho's users, and we are almost collecting from 200 to 100 same users we are also surveying. And such the research gap of this is that they explore only with a region and surface level without modeling a specific review signal or border e-commerce dynamics. And in the case of other papers, some also investigates some papers, some other papers investigates the variance of online reviews such as negative versus positive, negative comments and positive comments, and its influence on purchase decision, which is a core component of our topic. And the research gaps are also limited to which specific online review signals, as they are where the reviews they are analyzing are abundant, that there is no specific regions, and mostly influence purchase intentions in the understudied context of a fashion e-commerce of India. And the methodologies used are is a controlled laboratory experiment, such as they are using eye tracking. Some papers are using eye tracking studies, which is an important, which is like a unique approach, as they utilize physiology monitoring to measure the quantitative process of information attended, followed by traditional survey methods to measure the purchase intentions. And the next part will be explained by Amaldev.
So the next paper is perceived risk, trust, and information seeking behavior as antithesis of the online appeal buying behavior in India. So the study focuses on linked online appealing buyer behaviors to factor like trust and perceived risk. So the research gap are mainly on primary research gap is the limited empirical evidence discussing which specific online review signals such as user photo, textual sentiments or recency. The methodology of this paper is perceived risk, trust, and information seeking behavior as attentions of online appealing buyers behavior in India. And study is conducted in Rajasthan, uh, like a random sample of 404 online apparel buyers in Rajasthan in India. using a structured questionnaire to statistically analyze the influence of perceived risk, trust, and information seeking behavior on their online purchasing decisions. And the another paper is online product presentation effect on mood, perceived risk, and purchase intention. This study focuses on visual presentation elements of online appealing act as stimulus to influence consumer mood. The research does not fully explain how the reviewer credibility. For example, they are an expert and they trustworthy. Are they a high volume buyers? Changes how much we believe in review and whether we decide to buy or not. So the methodology of this paper is online product presentation, effect on mood, perceived risk, and purchase intention. Controlled laboratory experiment. Study aims to provide critical insight into the multi-faceted influence of online review signals on consumer purchase intention with Flipkart fashion segment, with the goal of disaggregating review components to reveal which elements truly resonate with consumer, thereby empowering more effective e-commerce strategies.
So hope all you have understood the literature review that we have did now. We hope you all support us and in our research. Thank you.